Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's class. Today, we are going to know about spoken English in basic, one step that we should know in earlier classes. So, here, what you will learn is spoken English. What is spoken English? Spoken English means speaking in English. Okay, so speaking, SPEAK, speak. Whenever you speak, you will either speak in negative form or you will speak in positive form. Positive, negative. These two topics will be there whenever we speak about something. For example, if I am talking about iPhone, it has some positive qualities, it has some negative qualities. Yes or not? It is good. Its camera is also good. Its screen is also very attractive. But there is also some negative form of iPhone. It has low storage process and not that much speed as Samsung phones. So here we are going to know about everything that we talk about a person or a place or a thing. We always talk about it as either in a positive form or in a negative form. For suppose in speaking, wait, I will say you like this, then you will understand. In general form, telling plus asking is equal to speaking. You can also tell spoken English. So, here what you see, telling. What you are telling. If you tell someone either a positive thing or a negative thing, right? Then asking. Whenever we ask someone, we ask some question, either in positive way or in negative way. So, here is the topic positive, negative, here interrogative. Again, negative, interrogative. So here the question arises whenever we ask a question that will come under interrogative. Are you happy? Are you good? Are you strong? Are you intelligent? This type of questions are interrogative. For sir, when we will use the negative interrogative means when we are in a hurry mood, when we are in anger. For suppose when we are going to state someone that I am not good, I am not. For suppose if someone tells you you are not handsome, you are not good man, you are not a good teacher, at that time my reaction will be like, I am not a good teacher, I am not a good smart person, I am not a good man. This type of questions that I will ask him in a negative way. So this question will come like it as a negative interrogative. Now I hope you understand the feeling of negative interrogative. So whenever we are speaking in a positive way or negative way or in interrogative or in negative interrogative. So telling plus asking is called speaking or spoken English. Here there are different process, different way, so that we know in this way how to talk positively, negatively, interrogatively and negative interrogatively in detailed form. There are many sequence of lines and processes by which we go so that we gain a proper English knowledge to talk and also we get some confidence regarding it. So before going to start the spoken English, you must have proper knowledge regarding noun, verb, types of nouns, types of verbs, what is subject, what is predicate, what is adjective, and what is regular, irregular verb. You must have a chart of this all so that you will come to a proper line and you will learn. If you don't have, then message me or call me. I will provide you the videos as well as the content so that you will be confident. Okay, now let's see a positive sentence regarding Ram. For suppose a person is Ram, I will tell some positive things regarding Ram and some negative also. Positive talk, negative talk. Interrogative talk. Please give some focus on this video. Now I'm going to show how to talk in a negative, positive or in interrogative way. I will give some video example with my student Vikas. By this communication, you will learn something more. You will know how to speak in a positive talk language and a negative talk language as well as interrogative ways, so that you will get some confidence. If you want to know more, if you want to learn details about spoken English, you may join MGM Coaching Center in Rayagada, Odisha. You may go through Google, search MGM Coaching Center, you will get the address. So let's see the practical spoken English talking with my student Vikas. Good morning, Vikas.
Very good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
You know Vikas?
Sir?
You know Ram?
Yes.
Ram is strong.
Yes.
Ram is intelligent.
Yes, yes.
Ram is a farmer.
Oh, yes.
Ram is a teacher.
Yeah.
Ram is a singer.
Yeah, yeah.
Ram is a kind person.
Yes.
Ram is an intelligent person.
Oh, yes.
Okay, goodbye, Vikas.
Goodbye, sir.
This sentence is regarding the positive talk. Okay, now Vikas will give the steps and I will give the reply. So let's focus. Now, Vikas.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
You know,
Yes.
Ram is not good boy.
Sorry, this sentence is gone for negative. So I think we first go for positive, then negative. Okay, start with the positive.
Positive. Okay, sir. Ram is good boy.
Yeah, yeah. Ram is a good boy.
He is smart.
Yes, yes, he's very smart.
He is intelligent.
Yeah, yeah.
He is honest.
Yes, sir. You are absolutely right.
He is good learner.
Yeah, yeah. He's also a good learner.
He is strong.
No, I don't think so.
He is weak.
Yes, yes, you are right.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Now, this communication or talking practice is positive. Now, I'm going to talk in a negative talk way like this. Good morning, Vikas.
Very good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
You know, Vikas,
Sir?
uh, Ram is not a good boy.
No.
Ram is not smart.
No, no.
Ram is not tall enough.
No, never.
Ram is not a kind man.
Oh, no.
Ram is not innocent.
No, not at all.
Ram is not a teacher.
No.
Ram is not a plumber.
No, no.
He's not a doctor.
No, no.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.
Now, your way. I will give the reply. You have to give the steps.
Okay.
Now start.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you.
You know,
Yes.
Ram is not a good farmer.
Yeah, yeah, you are right.
Ram is not a good teacher.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right.
Ram is not strong.
Yeah, yeah.
Ram is not a good student.
No, I don't think so.
Ram is not intelligent.
No, no, he's very intelligent. You don't know.
Ram is not smart.
Yes, yes, maybe.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Now, we are going to talk about interrogative talking process. Here, the small changes will be taken. That is, at the case of when we are going to ask an interrogative question, we have to change it into well. For suppose, Let's see the example so that you will observe and know how to talk in interrogative form. The introduction should be like, good morning, Vikas.
Very good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Well, Vikas,
Sir?
is Ram intelligent?
Yes.
Is Ram arrogant?
Yes, yes.
Is Ram smart?
Yeah.
Is Ram good?
Yeah, yeah.
Is Ram a teacher?
Oh, yes.
Is Ram a plumber?
Oh, yeah.
Is Ram a government employee?
Yes, yes.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.
Here we talk about Ram in positive interrogative way. Now, Vikas will ask me, tell the steps, and I will give the reply to him. So let's see how he's giving.
Positive interrogative, sir.
Yeah, positive interrogative.
Okay, sir.
Now, steps.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
Well, sir.
Yes.
Is Ram good boy?
Yeah, he's very good.
Is Ram a good teacher?
Yeah, I think so.
Is Ram smart?
Oh no.
Is Ram intelligent?
Yes, maybe.
Is Ram strong boy?
Yeah, I think he's very strong.
Is Ram weak?
Maybe he's weak.
Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye. And friends, I will not waste your time. The last part is negative interrogative. It will be something serious, like a serious reaction. I hope you will like aggressive reply, aggressive steps. So I love to give negative interrogative replies. So I will go through steps, and Vikas will give the reply. Okay, Vikas, are you ready?
Yes, sir, I am.
Good morning, Vikas.
Very good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Well, Vikas,
Yes, sir.
you know Ram.
Yeah.
Is not good. Is not he a good boy?
No, no.
Is not he a smart person?
No, no.
Is not he tall?
Oh, no.
Is not he white?
No, never.
Is not he arrogant?
No, not at all.
Is not he intelligent?
No, no, no.
Is not he smart?
Oh, no.
Okay. This type of reactions, when we get aggressive, at that case, the negative interrogative will come like this. I hope you all understood this process. Now, I want to start the same steps process from Vikas. Let's see how he is playing his role in negative interrogative form. Now, start.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
Well, sir,
Yes.
is Ram not a good boy?
Yeah, he's not so good.
Is Ram not a good teacher?
No, I don't think so.
I think is Ram not a good farmer?
No, he's a good farmer. I saw him.
Is Ram smart boy?
Yes, he's very smart.
Is Ram not a intelligent boy?
No, he is good enough, intelligent to survive in Earth.
Is Ram not strong boy?
Yes, you are right.
Okay, sir. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay, friends, thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and follow me. And also, if you want to learn something new and something extraordinary practical classes and to take confidence from myself, please join MGM Coaching Center in Raigada so that you will feel confident while you are talking with your friends and colleagues in English. I hope you love this. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Thank you, everyone.